Open the snap you want to save. Click on 3 dots. Now click on Remix. Cover the camera with your hand. Go back and take the screenshot. Done. Now let me show you the screenshot. Look, there is no mention of you take the screenshot or you save the snap.